Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you a quick way I like to soften my beans before cooking them. But check out my book. It's on Amazon, Bells in the Wind by Belle Sherry. So these are the beans that I'm using. Just pick these up from the supermarket. My grandmother used to use these beans, so pretty much I was raised on using these over canned beans. There's no additional ingredients, just beans. I prefer these, but a lot of times you don't really have time to, sit there and just soak your beans overnight. So I'm just going to show you like a really fast way to avoid having to soak it for 8 hours. So first I'm rinsing them out. Then after that, I pretty much just boil like 6 cups of water on high. Pour it in the pot. Beans all rinsed out now, nice and clean. Just waiting for the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, I'm going to put them inside of the pot. So now that it's in the pot, I pretty much boiled the water for 2 minutes on high. So now it's been boiling literally for 2 minutes on high heat. I'm going to turn it off, cover it, then I'm going to move it from the heat. So what I'm going to do is just leave the lid on there just for an hour. So these beans were boiled on high for 2 minutes and then taken off the heat and covered for 1 hour. And you see, still nice and hot. So now I'm going to pour out the water and rinse them off one last time. Alrighty, so you see. So this saves you a lot of time, especially people who are not a big fan of canned beans like myself, but don't have that 8 hours to soak them. So you just boil it on high for 2 minutes exactly. Take it off the heat, cover the pot, and just let it sit there for 1 hour. And this is how it comes out. Now, put it back in the pot, rinse it off, put it back in the pot, and cook them for an hour, hour and a half. Sometimes though, I'll mash some of them, just mash them up, only because I like the consistency to be nice and thick. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I add a little bit of butter and some salt. The salt I like to use is the Himalayan pink salt. This is my favorite. It gives your food so much more flavor and has some minerals, so that's a plus. I'll just pretty much let that simmer on low, medium low for hour and a half, 2 hours. And then like I said, I'll mash up some of the beans as it gets soft, just so I have that thick consistency. That's it.